There are many myths about orthopedic health. Let's debunk a few. Myth: rest is always best for injuries. Resting is important initially, but prolonged inactivity can delay healing. Gradual movement often helps recovery. Myth: cracking knuckles causes arthritis. There's no evidence that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. Myth: only athletes need to worry about joint health. Joint issues can affect anyone, regardless of activity level. Maintaining joint health is crucial for everyone. Consulting with a healthcare professional is key to understanding and managing orthopedic conditions properly.